Welcome back to our Python series. In this video, we'll be diving into the basic operations in Python: arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operations. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up on Python basics, this video will give you the practical knowledge you need to use these operations effectively. Let's start mastering Python operations. In Python, operations are a fundamental part of writing functional code. We'll explore 4 types of basic operations: arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment. First, let's go over arithmetic operation. They used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and more. Here, we're using basic arithmetic commands like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. We'll break it down. Plus adds 2 numbers here. Minus subtracts the second number from the first. Multiplication sign multiplies the 2 numbers. Divide sign divides the first number by the second, giving a floating point result. Double division performs floor division, which returns the largest integer less than or equal to the quotient. Percentage gives the remainder when the first number is divided by the second, which is basically the modulus operation. And double multiplication sign raises the first number to the power of the second. Now we'll look at comparison operations. These are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, true or false. Here are the comparison operations. Double equal to checks if two values are equal. Not equals to checks if two values are not equal. Greater than checks if the first value is greater than the second. Less than checks if the first value is smaller than the second. Greater than or equal to checks if the first value is greater than or equal to the second value, and less than or equal to checks if the first value is less than or equal to the second value. Now we'll explore some logical operations. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditional statements and return Boolean result. And returns true if both operands are true, otherwise it returns false. Or returns true if at least one operand is true, otherwise it returns false, and not reverses the logic state of its operand. Finally, now we'll talk about assignment operations. These are used to assign values to variables, and we can even perform operations while assigning a value. Plus equals to adds a value to a variable and assigns the result back to it. Minus equals to subtracts a value from a variable. Multiplication equal to multiplies a variable by a value. Division equal to divides a variable by a result. Double division equal to performs floor division and assigns the results. Percentage equals to calculates the remainder and assigns it. And power equals to raises the variable to the power of the given number. Now that we've gone through the basic operations, it's time for a hands-on exercise to reinforce what you've learned. I'll give you a task to complete, and you can pause the video to try it yourself. So the task is create a Python script that first of all assigns values to two variables x and y, perform all types of operations on x and y, and print the result of each operation along with the caption of what operation is being performed. Great job! Now that you've completed the exercise, you should be comfortable with basic operations in Python. Remember, practice is key to mastering these concepts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment with any questions you might have. See you in the next one, where we'll cover more exciting Python concepts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.